Are you ready for the best of both worlds? If you're someone who enjoys a relaxing bath but also likes to hop in the shower in the morning, then it makes sense to install both in your bathroom. However, space can be an issue when it comes to fitting a separate shower and bath in a smaller space. So if your bathroom is more on the compact side, then a shower bath is ideal. Delivering the best of both worlds, shower baths simply require the space for a bath, with the shower kit then fitted to the wall above, so you can shower over the bath. Install a screen onto the side of the bath to prevent water spillage and you're good to go. Practical and space-saving, shower baths are a popular choice with many people, whether they have a smaller bathroom or they simply don't use one of these as much. There are many other benefits to installing a shower bath, including the fact that they offer a more affordable solution if you're on a budget. There are also lots of styles available, both in terms of type of bath you choose as well as the shower kit. For instance, you might opt for a P-shaped bath or prefer an L-shaped design, while your shower preference could be a rainfall shower or an electric one. If you want to find out more about shower baths and why they could be a good fit for your home, then head over to bathshack.com and read the full blog to discover everything you need to know. It'll be the first link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube for even more bathroom advice and knowledge.